How to fix JioCinema black screen problem. Hello guys, welcome back to Texo 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your JioCinema app is not opening. As you can see, my JioCinema app is not working. To fix it, follow these methods. Firstly, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If your mobile have a good internet connection, so you can try by clearing JioCinema app's cache and data and allow all permission. To do this, long press on JioCinema app, tap on info icon, tap on storage and clear cache and data. Then go back and allow all the permission. Then go back and check for updates. Go to Play Store and search JioCinema app. If there is any update, update it. Now go back and force stop JioCinema app. To do this, long press on JioCinema app and tap on force stop. If issue persists, try restarting your device. To do this, long press on mobile's power button and swipe to restart. And check now. Your issue will be resolved. If you are still having trouble, contact JioCinema customer support. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.